What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use ad blocker on Spotify or listen to Spotify without ads. To do so you have to open Spotify from your computer, from the browser on your computer. So I have Spotify open here on my Chrome browser and I want to go to the Chrome store and install an ad blocker for Spotify. So to do so I'll go to the three dots here at the top right corner, then choose extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. And from there in the search bar here, you will need to type Spotify. So I'll type in Spotify, hit enter. And here you'll find many ad blocks for Spotify. So let's choose like this one, Spotify ad blocker. You want to install it, so click on add to Chrome, add extension. Wait for it to continue and finish installing. And here it says that it is added to your Chrome browser. Now, when you go to play songs on Spotify, you'll be able to listen to them ads-free.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.